I just received this fridge today, and I'm so excited. I wanted to do a video. I usually don't do videos, but I read all the reviews on this fridge, and they always said that it received with scratches and dents and all these other problems. So I haven't plugged it in yet, so I don't know if it works. I'm guessing it does, but it comes in a really nice box, thick cardboard. Doesn't have a bottom, which is kind of weird. It's foam, which is on the bottom of here. Okay, so the back is all open, which is kind of weird, but it is flush. So I don't think I'll have any issues there. I checked every corner, all the top, the bottom. There's no scratches, there's no dents. It's perfect, and I am so excited. It is also so cute when you open it on the inside. I also read reviews that said that this metal bar was crooked, and it's not. And they are fixed, so can't really adjust them, but I don't think I'll have any issues there. This is big enough to fit a half gallon of milk, which is pretty cool. Inside, there's a little tray up here. Comes with a little tray. I really like that. And then they give you a little ice tray too. I did not open this up yet. But this is a little freezer. Oh, that is so cute. That'll fit a nice little freezer dinner. But yeah, I will update it once I plug it in, but as of now, I'm pretty excited, and I think this is the cutest little fridge ever.